So I'm learning a lot from that. I mean, you know, usually
changing up that operation a little bit and how you have been doing it, it smooths out really nice.
Well, keeping the bucket nose down, you know, and going, I mean, usually I just want to use the whole Hydra bucket. Hey guys, I'm out here with Jake from CMP today. Donnie Leeper with Leave It to Leeper Services. About a year and a half ago, I bought a Hydra bucket. Wanted to expand my business. And one of the things I do is this dog park. It's a public dog park. I was gonna make a donation to the charity, and then I was like, well, I think I could do more with my machine helping Lauren out, because this is a public right of way, but they don't really take care of the driveway for her. So I've kind of volunteered to do that. So the Hydra bucket definitely is a game changer for me. It gets this job done a lot quicker. I was doing it with a land plane before with no rippers or anything in it. It just took forever, and it didn't really leave a nice, you know, this rejuvenates the material, millings, 57 stone, paver base, you name it, we've put it in here. When they come in here, they have to turn 90 degrees. So you've got cars coming in and they're constantly moving the material around. The Hydra bucket just gets in here and rips it up, rips out the potholes. Like here's some here. And a lot of people don't realize, like with potholes, you've got to rip the whole pothole out. You can't just tear, you know, fill it in, whatever. And the Hydra bucket definitely, you know, allows you to do that. And then you can grade it. So it's all in one. Once I get done with ripping it up and getting the material loosened, then I can just back drag it and get it all nice. And when her customers come in here, you know, they've got a nice smooth road to come in.
Try doing that with a traditional power rake and not spitting rocks right into their grill, and then you got insurance claims. And this way, I mean, you can hug them nice and close and get, you know, whether it's a vehicle or the guys, you know, they're nice green grass inside the dog park there.
I mean, look at the, you know, I'm a foot off of that truck down there and never worried about throwing a rock up on them.
Not at all.
I've never seen a rock really fly up on anything. It's got that guard on there on the back to kind of keep that from happening.
It keeps everything housed underneath that bucket, and let it do its work and smooth everything out.
If you had a power rake, you would be spitting some stuff out.
For sure. You couldn't do this job with cars in here with a power rake.
No. With the Hydra bucket, you can't, you know, I'd have to go have another attachment in the trailer, which I'm limited on my room. So now all I've got to do is take the same attachment that I've been using and not have to bring an extra attachment. Because with the land plane, it does an okay job, but it doesn't have the rippers. It basically, you put it on float and it just slides over it's like slippery. It's almost like ice to a land plane, because you got all that steel beams going across there. This thing, like I said, you know, we know what it does with the ripping. Traditionally, I like to leave the little cuts in it, you know, the pattern. But
so on what you were doing there, so the way that I had you operating it this first time is spinning that drum in the opposite direction of travel. That's how you get it more smooth like this. When you want to get your lines in there, spin that drum in the direction of your travel, and then leave that V pattern on it. So you can play with that a little bit too as you go and smooth everything out.
Made here, made better. CMP.